welcome back to another class, and we'll be looking at the pentatonic. We'll be looking at the pentatonic scale, and the pentatonic scale is a scale made up of 5 notes, and we're going to be on the key of C major. On the key of C major, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So out of these 7 notes, we're going to pick out 5, which forms the pentatonic scale. So out of the 7 notes, we're going to omit the 4th and omit the 7th. So this makes up our pentatonic scale, and we are going to be looking at 5 different shapes of the pentatonic scale, starting from the very basic, the most basic of them all. And for the most basic of them, I'm going to be showing you between 2 octaves. Okay, so we have this. So we have this. So I'm making use of the finger pattern of 1, 2, 3. Remember, for the finger numbering rather, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your pinky is the 5th, while your thumb is the 1st. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is the most simplest of the pentatonic scale on the key of C, the major pentatonic scale, and which is just you playing it straight as it is. Okay, so assuming you want to play it across octaves, we have again. I'm going to play it slow. That's how to play it across all octaves. For the last time, I will employ that you make use of a metronome while doing yours, because you have to go slowly, achieve dexterity, precision with the notes before you aim for speed. So for the last time, the thing is about this is when you miss the right, they say make use of the right tool for the right job. So also you have to make use of the right finger for the right note. If at any time you miss the right, or you mix up the wrong finger for the right note or the wrong note for the right finger, there's going to be a clash and your play will not be smooth. Now let's take a look at the second shape of this. And for the second shape of the major pentatonic scale on the key of C, you're going to be making use of these 3 fingers: thumb, pointer, and the middle finger. So we have this, we're going to be going back and forth. So we have okay, so we have this. That is it. Then descending, you have descending and ascending. For the ascending and the descending. Okay, for the descending of the first shape of the pentatonic, lest I forget, after I'm doing it. So descending, you have 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay? 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. If you don't make use of this, you might find it quite difficult to play in a smooth way. So you have. So let's continue. Now the third shape of the pentatonic, we're going to be doing this. So we are going to be making use of the finger formula 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. We have this. We have this. And then descending, we have this. The next pattern or the next shape of the pentatonic, we are going to do what's called add the blues notes, which is the minor third, to it. So, and for this, we'll be making use of these 3 fingers. That's 1, 2, 3, and that's we have this. Again. Like I said, if you don't make use of the right finger for the right notes, there will be an accident. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's for the ascending. And descending, we have 5, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Again, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So we have this. We have this. Now the very last, the last for this particular lesson is a combination of the 4th and the 5th. So we're going to make use of the 4th for the ascending and then make use of the 5th for the descending. I made a mistake with the finger numbering, with the fingers rather. Again. Then coming back. Let's get to this place before coming back. Oh. Then we have this. Okay, we have this for the ascending. I added this which is out of it. Then descending we have. Now let's take a look at how to apply this pentatonic scale. So we're going to make use of a simple application of a G7 back to the 1. So this is a G7 chord, which is a primary dominant chord, and this will lead you back to the 1. Assuming you play a 1, 4, 5, you add the dominant 7s, and that will lead you back to the 1. So we are just going to do the G7 back to the 1, and we're going to make use of the 5, apply the 5 concepts. So the first one we have so that's on the 5. Again. So sometimes some of the licks, the fast licks you hear, they are all formed on the pentatonic scale. That's just a pentatonic. Okay, now let's look at the second. We are still going to maintain the same 5 to 1. So for the 5 we have again. I'll play it slowly. Then the third concept we have this is a simple application of this pentatonic shape. Now let's look at the last one, right? Yeah. So we have the fourth one we have again. That's a modal change, but that is not for this class, okay? Then to the 1. Then the last one, the application of the last one, we're going to combine the fourth and the third and the fourth to form the fifth, and we have this. Then we have this. Again. So these are 5 different shapes of the pentatonic scale and how you can apply them. Okay, so I would want you to write down the finger numbers, and then you also should try to visualize your next notes before playing, and you have to do that. You know, piano playing is more than keyboard playing, or piano playing is far beyond just striking the keys. It helps to build your cognitive skill and also your psychomotor skill, which is the actual playing. So I'm going to see you in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye.